Do you always struggle with the maths? Do you always have hate-hate or hate-love relationships with this? Algebra Foundations is the key to all higher maths. That's why it's vitally important to get it right at the very beginning. Hi, I'm Gregory and I'm a creator of Gregory Brain Maths. If you're a high school student or a college student or a student who is studying Algebra 1 and planning to move to Algebra 2, any students from Algebra 2 or university students, or just people who truly love maths, this course is for you. It includes everything from very basic elementary equations, inequalities and formulas, and we're going to build it up all the way to more tough factoring problems, exponents and logarithms. It contains very detailed step-by-step explanations for all topics. It has lots and tons of examples to illustrate them. And if you are looking for not just a couple of examples, but for tons of them, you are exactly in the right place. I hope you will join me here.